Hey guys, Daniela here from Login Custom Software, and today with me is our lead engineer David, and he's going to show us how the SolidWorks interface works.
So, hello everyone. The first thing we see as soon as we open SolidWorks is the menu on top. In this menu, we have the new option that will let you open a new part, drawing, or assembly. Then we have open, which will let us open previous parts. And after that, we have save, print, undo, and select, which I assume, Daniela, you obviously know how to use them.
Yeah, they're just self-explanatory.
Okay, a tricky one is the traffic light that we have right there. That one will let you rebuild your part or assembly or drawing. Then we have the summary, that it's gonna give you a summary of your part. And finally, we have the change options menu, that if we can go there and click it. Yep. In this one, we can see that we have a lot of things that we can change and set up as we want, which I will explain you how to use on a future video, so stay tuned for this series. Now, Daniela, you can go and open a document we had already created for this.
Okay, so first the basics. How do I move the part? And I do the zoom in, zoom out, all those basic stuff.
Yeah, sure. For zoom in and zoom out, you can scroll your middle mouse up and down. Then to rotate the part, just middle click it and drag. And finally, to move the part around, you hit Control and middle click and drag, as we can see there.
Okay, so what is this menu works for? What do you do with this?
Okay, so that top menu right there is our command manager, which is where all the features that we can use to create our awesome parts are at.
So on this little menu over here.
Okay, that menu is for visuals. It'll help you. It'll have options like the first one. If you can click it, you can see that the part zooms to fit the screen. Then in the second one, go click it and select a part. You see there, you zoom into the selection you chose and hit the next one, and you're gonna see we went back to the view we had before. So we're gonna skip these two that we're gonna explain later and go to the cube. So the cube lets you select between different views, either is the front, left, right views of the part, as you can see there. And then the other cube will let you change the shading on the part, and you can use this to help you visualize your parts when there are more complex parts. Finally, with the glasses, there we can select or unselect different from axis showing to points to coordinate systems, etc. And now we can go again here to the cut part.
What is that for?
Okay, so this one, if you click it,
Okay.
you can see that it creates a plane and it cuts the part through that plane, so you're able to see the interior of your part.
Oh, that's cool.
This will help you a lot when you have complex parts and you want to reach and see the interior of it. It will really help.
Okay. So how do I get out of this view?
Okay, we have two ways. You can click here in the X or on this other X on the right, and you'll get out of it.
And these other
Okay, so
item.
this item is for dynamic annotations, which it's mostly used on drawings, and we're gonna go into it when we get to drawings further in this series.
So what does this item does?
That color bolt, what does is helps you to change the appearance of your part.
Should I click on it?
Yeah, click, of course. Then we can see there that it has a bunch of different things we can choose, from plastics, metals, to wood, even carbon fiber. It pretty much has anything that you can think of, and it helps make your part more aesthetically accurate to what you are creating. So yeah, if we can go out of there, and we can see the other one, and the other one will help you change the background on your part.
Okay, and finally, what does this menu do?
Okay, so that menu right there is our design tree. The design tree is, we can put it kind of like your search history online, and it will track every single step you do on your part. As you can see here, on this part, I have one extrude and a sketch. So it will track it. On more complex parts, it will have every single step you go through it, and it will help you to find more easily the part or feature you need to edit.
Thank you, David. I think I learned the basics of SolidWorks today. I hope learning more throughout this series, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, all those good stuff, and yeah, thank you so much for watching us, and hope you come and see us in the future.
And stay tuned for next week, where we're gonna have our next video of this series.
Bye guys, thank you.